गोंय सरकाराचे जोड पालवान गोमंतक टीव्ही घडोवन हाडटा नवनिर्मितीचो ध्यास घेतिल्ले कर्तृत्ववान इंजिनियर्सांचो भोवमान सुवाळो. गोमंतक टीव्ही इंजिनियरिंग एक्सलन्स अवॉर्ड 2024.
I'm deeply honored to receive the Emerging Engineering Excellence Award in the category of startup. I thank the Gomantak TV in collaboration with the Goa government for highlighting the work that I've been doing for so many years. And I truly feel humbled to receive this award, especially on the day which is celebrated to be the Engineers Day. It's a wonderful initiative by the Gomantak TV to highlight the work that all the engineers have been putting in, and I hope this series of awards continue because it's one of such initiatives that Gomantak TV has initialized, which will honor the work that all engineers from Goa would receive. Especially receiving this award from the state government and in association with Gomantak TV is truly a feeling of honor. And I hope and I wish all the best to the Gomantak TV. I'd like to also mention the jury, the entire management for organizing such a wonderful event. And I hope that this event keeps continuing every year and honoring all the work that fabulous engineers have been putting in efforts to shape the new future of India.